Having a multilingual website is a great way to cater to specific locations or reach a wider audience. The Website.com website builder is the fastest and easiest way to make a multilingual website, and I'll show you exactly how to make one. You can make a multilingual website with elite website plans and above, so the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an elite Website.com plan. Once you have your plan, you can go ahead and choose a template. I'm going to show you how to make a multilingual website even if you don't start with a multilingual template. So I'll go ahead and choose this template here. You'll need to create your pages for your primary language first, so just add and edit pages as normal by clicking on the Pages view and clicking Add Page, or editing the existing pages that came with your template. Once you've customized all your pages for your primary language, we'll go ahead and start adding languages. So in the Pages view, you can click Manage Languages, and then click Add. We'll start off by selecting a language. Click Next, and now select the pages on your website that you want to clone and add to your new language. By cloning a page, you're basically duplicating your existing page and adding it to your new language. You'll need to translate or customize your cloned pages for your new language later. So I'm going to clone all of my existing pages and then click Next. Next, we're going to add a language switcher to allow visitors to navigate between languages on my website. So just click Add. And your languages and cloned pages will now be added to your website. Ensure that your language switcher is in an optimal position. So if it's overlapping the menu or another element, be sure to click and drag on the elements to optimize its placement. By default, the language switcher is set to global, meaning it will appear on all of your web pages. So now we'll go and open the Pages view again. And you can see the web pages for each language just by clicking on the language on the left. So you can see your pages for your English language and Spanish. To navigate to different pages within the website editor, just click on the page name. On your newly cloned pages, you can translate the content for the relevant language. You might even want to customize your content on each page to cater to the right audience. You can use Translate with Google to make translation even easier, and I'll show you how to use that tool in another video. Once you've customized all your newly cloned pages, it's time to customize or translate the website menu links. So you'll see right now it just says Home and then ES. So if you want to customize your menu links, click on the Pages view, and you'll see under each language, it will say Site Menu. So under Spanish, I'm going to click Site Menu, and I can customize the website menu by clicking on the link names for each page. So I'll just click on the link field to customize it. And once you click off of it, it'll automatically save. So you can see the menu has changed up here. So when you're ready to take your website live, just click Publish. And make sure you select all the web pages that you would like to go online. So that's it. It's easier than you think to make a multilingual website to connect to more visitors and cater to specific locations. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.